So what you do, oh shit, primo. It's gonna be f***ing loud. Today is a good day. Today we are going to install this. We're going to install this back into the car. So I've had the clutch for a little bit now, just haven't had the time to actually do it. So today is actually the first time that I'm actually being able to put the clutch back in. So the release issue that I had was because of clutch dust. So the clutch dust was in between the clutch fingers and the pressure plate, so it wasn't releasing properly. The clutch was 50% worn, so it definitely wasn't the clutch. So I think it was more so the clutch dust being stuck in the fingers. Hopefully it fixes the issue. All right, first things first, we'll disassemble the clutch. Oh God. From the flywheel, we'll fit the flywheel on. Then we'll use the alignment tool, fit all the plates on the correct way, and then torque them down. But before we do that, we have to replace the spigot bearing. Whenever you do a clutch, it is essential to replace the pilot bearing with the clutch as well, because the front of the gearbox sits in here, and obviously, yeah, mine's a bit notchy, and this is smooth. So if you roll it, and if you feel it being smooth, then you know that the pilot bearing is good. I've got this tool, pilot bearing puller. And just like that, it's out. After you've removed the pilot bearing, you have to obviously install it. So what you do, oh shit, you grab a socket that'll fit over the outer race. So that's called a race, a bearing race. And you just smag it in, mate. Well, obviously there's a recess inside the crank for it to stop the bearing going any further. So all you do is just gently tap it in until it stops. So now, obviously we need to install the flywheel. So we're going to separate this from this boy. Then we can bang this boy in, then put these boys in, then bang that on. Okie dokie. Bang this bad boy on. I'm using this just to nip it up, as I can't be sitting here ratcheting it. Don't judge me. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now we're going to go over him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, just to double check that it is primo. Rest in peace, my fucking shoulders. Oh, Jesus Christ, I nearly dropped that on my face. So you've got the flywheel side. Then we have this, the pressure plate side. Then you grab your clutch alignment tool, align the bad boy. You grab the last plate, then get your pressure plate, make sure it's center. So see how it's a bit skewed. Yep, so that's good. Oh Jesus, it's coming out nice and smoothly. Then you go around a couple of turns at a time. While you're checking this still, it's coming in and out smoothly. After that's done, grab your torque wrench, bang. Check it one more time. Mint. That's done. Next will be the gearbox. That's bright. Put the gearbox in, adjust the clutch. I might drain the clutch fluid as well. Then put the tail shaft in, exhaust in, and then hopefully we can, you know, go for a nice leisured cruise. The gearbox is in, drive shaft's in. Don't have the exhaust in because just in case I have to pull it out. I'll have to jump in the car, start it, feel the clutch pedal, see how it feels, and then we've go for a drive. This is the moment, huh?
Oh, sorry. Cut.
This is the moment of truth. Let's see. I had my wife in the car, so she's a little bit short up. Oh, God. Oh, this thing is a bitch to get into. All right. Moment of truth. It's gonna be f***ing loud. Starts. Hear the clutch on and off, gauging. See if it selects gears. Yeah. Yep, got all the gears. Oh, this is so loud. Oh. Alright, so my mic's dead. That's how long I f***ing took. But it's running now. It's not driving. Well, it's driving up in the air, so I just ran through the gears. You can't hear the twin plate over the fucking exhaust, so I'll have to put the exhaust back on, and then I'll see if it's engaging correctly or disengaging, and then yeah, and then probably go for a drive and see if it actually works properly. Thanks for joining me, guys. We'll definitely be on to the next episode of. Well, you got to bed the clutch in, so I've got to bed the clutch in, then I'll be able to. So many flies here. Do I stink? Then I'll be able to start giving it a little bit. But if you guys want to see that one, stay tuned, because it'll be an interesting one. It'll be a good one, and it'll be a fun one. Anyway, guys, take care. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time.